Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Curtis Brown Jr. coming at you at Donnelly Ford of Shelby with this brand new 2023 F-150 XL with the STX package. If red is your favorite color, this truck is for you for sure. Let's go ahead and move on to the inside. It's got the cloth interior. We got power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth capabilities. Got the 4.2 LCD screen where your backup camera will be located. And as you see here with the extended cab, opens right up and all this space back here. Just a little pull, sets it down. Super spacious. As we move on to the back here, this has the 20-inch rims, 20-inch tires on it. It's featuring a 6.5-foot bed with the STX 4x4 logo. So there you have it. If you're looking for a brand new Ford F-150, come check me out at Donnelly Ford of Shelby. Curtis Brown Jr., extension 4014. Thank you.